9 years ago when I was in culinary school. If I would have known this is what I would be doing, hot dog lattes, I would have took the expedited courses. I would have been like, yeah, let's get to it right away. Brioche bun, hot dogs, ketchup, mustard, relish. It's like you smell it once and you like kind of can't believe it, so you have to go back to confirm the smell. We've all been there. Hotdog latte. I can't swallow. I can't do it. It's like just as bad as you think it would be. Like even for some of the weirder ones, there's like a part of me is like, this could be good. No. Strong F. Turbo F.